Taking you guys into Bismillah. Taking you guys into a house in Kuwait just to show you what it's like and how much it costs and what you get. This is a 3-bedroom house. It's got the kitchen here, and then out here it's got a little room. You can use it as storage room. Usually the Chinese use it for like the maid room. You can put like the washing machine there as well. And then let's go to the other rooms. You walk here, and then you've got a big living room here, mashallah. And the living room comes with a balcony, so we'll take you to the balcony. And mashallah, beautiful. You've got nice scenic area. You've got the beach behind us. You can't see, obviously it's a bit dark now. You've got the beach behind us, and you've got the view. That's beautiful here. You can hear the adhan when the adhan goes off for salawat. So it's just nice. Let's take you up to the other rooms. And the beautiful thing about these rooms are the windows as well. As you can see, then you can see outside so the sun comes in. So let's take you to the other rooms. Look how spacious it is as well. This living room, mashallah. This will be bedroom number 1. Nice and spacious. And then let's do bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2 as well. Spacious, mashallah. And then bedroom number 3. This will be the last bedroom. And with this bedroom, we've got the toilet right here. The lavatory is right here. Nice, clean. And then you've got the last toilet on your right hand side. So mashallah, it's spacious, it's beautiful. You can't get better than this, mashallah. And the rent, how much is the rent? Everyone's really asking, okay, how much is it? That's all I care about. The rent you're looking at for this property, roughly around £1,700 every single month. That's how much it costs. So let's just go, and then you're going to be able to see that this is a place that you get. So if you're interested, get in touch and the sell relocation. Close the door.